Your best customer interactions are often in the field. The PolSource Field Service Quote accelerator empowers mobile technicians with the ability to accurately quote repairs and offer additional products and services on site by leveraging CPQ within FSM. Let's see how it works. FSQ allows you to utilize the power of your CPQ data to generate product offers for your field engineers. Take, for instance, Amit, service technician on an installation call in the field. In the past, he would simply do the pre-planned work and be on his way, but FSQ charges him to present additional offers to the customer. After completing the standard work order line items, he now has a work order line to drive a discussion with the customer around additional offers. Amit is a subject matter expert, but not a salesman, so the FSQ accelerator provides him with coaching advice about the upsell opportunity. He is presented with specifically tailored product offerings, which he can share and discuss with the customer. In Amit's case, after selecting the service, he will update the quantity field to reflect the number of years, as well as add any other pricing details that have been enabled for the technician to complete the offer. When all the activities, including the upsell offer, are finished, he can complete the work order. Once this is finished, Amit will generate the service report. The product offers have been added, and his customer can simply sign and accept. All the appropriate pricing information, including discounts and tax, are added to the service report right along with the offer. Using Chatter, Amit notifies Anthony, the account executive, to let him know that the customer has added a warranty purchase to their order. Within Salesforce, an opportunity has been generated for the offer to update the customer record and feed into the pipeline. On the opportunity, a quote has been generated for the warranty service with the correct pricing details. If the customer is not able to commit during the service appointment, Anthony, the AE, can pick up the opportunity to work with the customer to finalize the quote and complete the agreement. Thanks to Amit, an additional $120,000 has been added to the sale from a simple 5-minute conversation on site with the customer. FSQ adds the power of quoting to your field service technicians, allowing them to upsell and accurately quote service repairs. Maximize your chance for expanded sales at every step of the process. Contact PolSource for more information.